Hello and welcome. My name is Bashir Fadl, and on behalf of LearnITCoursesOnline.com, as well as LearnJobsOnline.com, I'd like to thank you. We do know that you have a variety of choices of IT training, and you've chosen us, so we really appreciate that and hope that you enjoy it. Thank you. Creating new Salesforce email templates. We're going to start with creating email templates, since a lot of the workflows that we're going to work on in process automation usually send an email as part of the automated process. So in this segment, we're going to learn about creating new Salesforce email templates, how to send mass email in Salesforce, and what are the different Salesforce email templates. Salesforce email templates are used to automate the business process. So in this section, we're going to discuss the concept of different email templates and why do we go for email templates. We're also going to discuss after that workflows, approval process, and a lot more. So what is the need of a Salesforce email template? Salesforce email templates are used in automation processes such as sending out mass emails. Number 2, used in workflow rules. Number 3, used in approval processes. Number 4, in assignment rules. Number 5, in web to lead forms. And number 6, in web to cases as well. So what are the different Salesforce email templates? They are text, HTML with Letterhead, custom HTML, and Visualforce. So we normally have our email templates stored in an email template folder. So we're going to start by creating a text email template folder in Salesforce. To create a text email template in Salesforce, we navigate to Administer, and then Communication Templates, and then click on Email Templates, where you can simply go to Setup, and then search for email templates. We usually have standard email templates created in the folder called Unfiled Public Email Template by default. We can create any number of Salesforce email templates. So we would log in to create the new email templates, click on Email Templates as shown, and before creating the new template, create a new email template folder to save all custom email templates. Click on Create New Folder. Next, click on Create New Folder, enter the email template folder name, select Public Folder Access Type, and click on Save. As shown above, we have created the email template folder successfully. After creating the email template folder, now we proceed to creating the text email template in Salesforce. In the first step, we have to select email template type. As shown below, we have 4 options. So click on the text button, select text. Now click on next button. Here the email template type is text. In this type, we don't have different styles, fonts, and have only some text information. So now we have to enter the required detail to create Salesforce email template. So number 1, select the template folder. Number 2, select available for use. If this is only, we can use this email template anywhere. If not enabled, we cannot use this email template in Salesforce. Number 3, we enter the email template name. Number 4, we enter the description, subject, and email body. Number 5, finally click on Save button to save all of the settings. We have successfully created a Salesforce email template. Now we can attach files to the template as attachments. Now we have to test the email template that we've created. So for mass email test in Salesforce, we can go to the contact detail page and select mass email test. Here we have renamed the contacts as My SP Sales Teams. So we selected mass email SP Sales Team. The steps would be, number 1, select My SP Sales Teams in view. Number 2, click on Go button. And number 3, now we select the mass email SP Sales Team. Before sending mass email tests in Salesforce, rename the user email address so that the test email will be sent to the user, and then click on the Next button. Now let's enter all the details as shown, then select the Send Now in Delivery options, and then click on Send button. At this time, we have successfully sent mass email test. So now we can go to our email address and check our inbox as shown. This is the text email we would have received. Now in this section, we're going to look at adding merge fields to Salesforce email templates. We have successfully created a text email template in Salesforce. Now we're going to edit and add available merge fields. Using merge fields, we can bring data from Salesforce. So in the email body, we're going to add contact.name, and you can see it's between braces, starts with an exclamation mark, and then it's the object name, which is contact.name, so as to automatically bring in the contact's name. And user.name, again between braces, and an exclamation mark before the object name, so that the merge field would show. And then we would click on Save. In the text email template, we have defined Dear Customer, but when we insert the merge fields, we can specify customer name in the email template. Select the merge field and replace the text as shown. This is email template when merge fields are added in the email body. So contact name and username are automatically inserted in this example. So now in this section, we're going to look into creating HTML with Letterhead template. Before creating HTML with Letterhead, first we have to create a letterhead in Salesforce. We have many options in Letterhead. We can insert logo in the header and footer. We can change the header, body, and footer background color as well. So let's make sure to select Available for Use, enter the letterhead label and description, and then click on Save. As we can see, we have added log in the header and footer. We changed the background color and body color. Click on Save button to save the letterhead in Salesforce. So now we're going to move on to creating our HTML with Letterhead template. HTML with Letterhead is the second type in Salesforce email templates. In this type, we can find many customization tools, merge fields, colors, footers, and headers. Creating HTML with Letterhead template. HTML with Letterhead is the second type in Salesforce email templates. In this type, we can find many customization tools such as merge fields, colors, footers, and headers as well. So now let's navigate to number 1, Setup, and then click on Administer, and then Communication Templates, and then Email Templates, and then HTML using Letterhead. Or you can just go to Setup and search for Email Templates, and then click on HTML using Letterhead. So then click on HTML using Letterhead, and then click on the Next button. In this step, number 1, we will select the folder. Number 2, Available for Use. Number 3, in this email template type, we have to select the letterhead as it's mandatory. Number 4, select the email layout. Number 5, enter a description. When selecting the email layout, we have 6 email layouts in the dropdown. Select any one from the list. Click on View Email Layout options to view the layout. Now let's enter the merge fields and click on Save button. Click on Send Test and verify merge fields. So what we have to do is we have to update the email of a contact with our email template. A test email has been sent with HTML using Letterhead as shown. So in this section, we're looking at creating custom HTML templates in Salesforce. Custom HTML template is a third type in Salesforce email templates, which is used without a letterhead. Creating custom HTML template in Salesforce. Custom HTML template is a third type in Salesforce email templates, which is used without letterhead. We can use custom HTML code in this email type. Let us create a custom HTML template. So number one, we will enter the subject. Number two, enter our HTML code in the HTML body to design Salesforce email templates with our custom HTML code. And then number three, we can also add merge fields in this template. So we proceed by number one, selecting the folder name. Number two, entering the email template name. And number three, entering a description. And then finally clicking on the next button. At this time, we have successfully created an HTML template in Salesforce. With this, we come to the end of this session, and we'd like to thank you for joining us. And also, don't hesitate to visit our website at learnitcoursesonline.com to leave your feedback and reviews. And also look at our events. We have a lot of free sessions, and we'd be more than happy to have you join at any given time, and also sign up with us for our newsletter. Thank you and have a wonderful time.